So what we're gonna do? We're gonna go inside Ikea and we're gonna play hide and seek. So the one who loses the most is there's a surprise at the end that you have to eat a certain something. And anyway, you'll see. Anyway, so you ready? Let's go.
10 minutes started.
Okay, I got 10 minutes. All right, so let's see.
I'm gonna wait right here. Okay.
All right. There it is.
It's so quiet. I thought there was gonna be more people. No. 20 minutes already started. Where would he hide though? Like, has to be somewhere nice.
Okay, I'm hiding in the shower.
Guys, I think I see him. I think I saw him. Guys, he just gave me a hint. He said look for the shower. I don't know where a shower would be. In here? Oh! Oh! First place.
First place. Okay.
I get 1 point.
All right, 1 point. All right, 1 point. All right. Okay, now your turn.
Okay. It's my turn. I have no idea where to hide. It's not that big because we're upstairs. Guys, I'm in the children's section. Maybe, guys, I think this was perfect. Wait. No, I think this is perfect. So, I can just hide right here. Guys. So, I can just hide right here. Guys.
All right, so now it's my turn to find her. So let's see where she's at.
Oh, it's okay. Yeah. What's that?
There's a grown up.
Hey, it keeps slipping.
She's not in there.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Does your mom know where you are?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. You're okay. Their mom knows where they are. Come on, Mom.
All right, it's been like 7 minutes and I still can't find her. So she's doing pretty good. I'm gonna tell you that.
But Abby, there's a snake. I'll get him away, okay? No, I don't. No, Abby, he's gonna bite you.
Maybe I haven't found her yet, but I found myself.
Guys, there's a group of workers right here.
All right, I gotta say she's so good. So I don't know where she's at, man.
I think they're gone. Yeah, they're gone. He's taking a while.
All right, I'm so cooked because it's already past 10 minutes and I cannot find her. I'm gonna have to be the one eating the the prize here.
A worker A little kid saw me. What if that kid ratted me out, dude?
What? Man, they were so good.
I'm pretty sure time is up. It's been long enough. I'm gonna call it time's up. I'm gonna go find him. I see you.
Where are you? Yeah, I know. I read it. Where are you?
I was behind like curtains.
Okay, I was playing through almost every
But
curtain.
like two ladies found me and they asked me if I was okay
Oh.
and where my mom was. So I kind of got scared and went out.
Where's that? Okay, I went through almost every curtain.
But like two ladies found me and they asked me if I was okay
Oh.
and where my mom was. So I kind of got scared and went out.
Oh. Okay.
I win.
So she wins, and I am, I'm the loser. So I'm gonna go ahead and eat what's coming next. All right.
Guys, so
Okay.
the punishment is strawberries with sardines and some mustard.
So because I had lost the hide and seek because I took way too long to find her. She was pretty good. Now sardines, I hate sardines. Like it's nasty, but look at that. It's oh man. So what we're gonna do? We're gonna make a sandwich sardine. So this is how we're gonna do it. I'm gonna cut it because this is kind of a. Let me see. All right, so it's gonna come with mustard. So we're gonna put a sardine. Oh man, this is so nasty. Here's strawberry. All right. And then.
Put the mustard.
And so I'm just gonna put it all in my mouth, just all at once. Just.
Get it over with.
Let me see.
Oh, that stinks. The car's gonna smell now.
Oh man, see, hold up. So you're lucky that. Look, just smell it.
No, I can already smell it.
All right. Look, bring it closer. Bring it closer. So strawberry, mustard, and sardines in one bite. Here's. Oh man. It's got a fish, Grey Poupon, and
The pack was in there.
it was nasty, but
The mustard pack was in there.
I don't know. No, it's nasty.
I get strawberries.
All right, I ate it, but
The car's gonna stink.
so there's nasty.
Well,
All right.
Hope you enjoyed the video.
All right.
Like,
Destroy!